Welcome to Algebra, Linear Regression, Part 2. We now continue where we left off in the first video by using the linear regression process to help make predictions about new data. Let's take a look. Scatter plots and trend lines can be used to make predictions with new data points. Here is data about car mileage and value. Based on the data, what would be the approximate value of a car with 70,000 miles? Pause the video, examine the data, and try to predict what the answer will be. Then watch the linear regression process to see how close your prediction was. After entering the data, use the linear regression formula to find the slope and y-intercept for the line of best fit. A strong correlation coefficient of negative 0.9717 shows a fairly reliable data set from which to make a prediction. In Desmos, substitute 70,000 as x, as you see in row 3, and see what the value is. This is the best prediction for the value of a 70,000-mile car. How close was your answer to this? Here is another question. The number of snakes at a local zoo is shown in the table below in the years listed. Predict the number of snakes that the zoo will have in 2025. Pause the video, think about it, and come up with a prediction. To find this prediction, use linear regression by entering the table just as it is shown. Use the linear regression formula to find the three key values R, M, and B, and then use 2025 as the value of x in the slope-intercept equation to find the answer, which is rounded to be 52. How close was your prediction? Star test alert. There are key words to look for that will alert you that regression should be used to help find the answer to the question. Correlation coefficient. Data that is modeled. What is the best prediction? When these words or phrases are in a problem statement, think regression. What keyword in this problem indicates the use of regression? You can see the phrase best models in the question. Using Desmos, enter the data into a table and use the regression formula to find the key values, and then find the matching equation in the answer choices. Which equation best models the data? Choice B, which contains the slope and y-intercept shown in the results. Here is another question. Read through the problem statement and find the words or phrases that indicate regression should be used. You should see the phrases model the data and best prediction, which indicates you should use regression to solve this problem. Pause the video and use the Desmos process. Enter the data, then the formula, and then use the slope-intercept form with 1500 as the x value to find the prediction. Here is what the results should show, which, as you can see, best matches choice H. Here is another question to try. Pause the video, read through the problem carefully, use Desmos to find your answer. The resulting information in Desmos shows an R value very close to 0, which means there is almost no trend in this data, a very weak and negative correlation, clearly choice B. Here is another question. Pause the video, read the problem carefully, and use Desmos to find your answer. Using the Desmos results, substituting 25 into the slope-intercept formula, the calculated answer reveals 6%, choice G.